Who's a man's best friend today? A dog. Now, why is a dog a man's best friend? Because when you show up, that dog is happy that you're still alive, that you came home, and it responds to you. This is what men are looking for. They need messages that say, I am needed. But to women go, but wait a second, when I get needy, it turns him off, because there's a huge difference between needing a man and being needy. I'll give you an example. It's worth 1,000,000 words in this case. I'm late to a party. My wife, we're having a party at her house, and I'm off with some clients, and I'm late. And I was supposed to do some stuff, and I didn't do it. And I arrive home, and her first response when she sees me is, thank God you're here. We still need this. It was like I was the returning hero, the emergency man, here to fix everything. The thing wouldn't have happened without me. She was so happy to see me that I had arrived. That's called needing me. That's giving me meaning and purpose in this relationship. Now, I've also had the other experience, which is I arrive late, and she's upset with me. And she's like, well, we didn't do this, and we didn't do this because you didn't come, and this didn't happen. That's called needy. Needy is when you're saying, I needed you, and you weren't there for me. Needing is vulnerability, which is saying, hey, you are just what I need, just the way you are. So in order to find that, this is the whole key, is letting go of the idea that men are going to be perfect. No man is perfect. I hear women often say, I trusted him, and now I don't. You know, it's like all trust or no trust, instead of, well, I can trust him for this, and I can trust him for this, and I can trust him for that. You can't trust anybody to be perfect. And if they're not perfect, to just shut it all down, it's like some extreme state, which is totally unrealistic. So for women, like for my mother, she trusted that my dad would work hard to be a good provider. That's all she had to trust. And he was a gentleman. She didn't go to him with all these complaints and problems. And because she had no complaints and problems with my dad, he was always a gentleman and loving and supportive. But if women just start sharing all their discontent and all their unhappiness and all their complaints about a man, it's just going to push him away. Remember, to bring out the best in the man, you want to focus on the good in the man and what he can do and what he does do and be realistic about it.